If you're looking for a complete microphone setup that's affordable, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's by Eptison. And what I was intrigued about here is that we get a condenser microphone. But we don't just get that. We get pretty much everything that you might need to set up a little home studio. So if you were podcasting, video conferencing, starting an internet radio show, shooting YouTube videos, everything that you need is right here, and this thing is really affordable. What we get here are some instructions and cards, but of course we want to get into the nitty-gritty. We have a little windscreen right here, pop filter, kind of that cloth through a screen. Obviously that's pretty big, 7 inches. And then we get a flex arm here, and then we get, this is all like metal hardware, so I'm pretty impressed with that. So this will screw down onto your arm, which is really nice. We get a windsock here, so that'll keep you from popping as you use those P words and those T words, those types of things into the microphone. We also get insulated mount right here. You can see the bungee cords, and the way you open up the ring are these arms here. That'll open it up, allow you to slide in the microphone. Kind of your standard, looks like 1/2 inch screw right there to mount this sucker, and then a thumb screw here to angle it. So this is all pretty nice. And again, I have a pretty nice microphone set up by some pretty good brands, and I will tell you that the hardware that came with those is no different looking than the hardware that comes here. This is for mounting this to your desk or table. We get a little foam bottom right there, and then obviously this clamp. And so what we can do here is put it like this, so we have the hole right there, so we can put the microphone boom arm into there so it can swivel around, and then we would tighten it in just like this, so you don't have to worry about marring the top of your table. We also get the USB cord, kind of your standard cord. You used to use these for printers a lot. Looks like we have a ton of cord there, so I wouldn't be surprised if we have 10 feet or more. And then we get the boom arm itself too. So you may be familiar with this. This is that post that will go in here and allow this to swivel around, gonna hold it in place. But you can see how it's spring loaded. So now I can attach the microphone on here, and what I can do is push it out of the way, and then when I need it, bring it in front of me. Hello, how you doing? And then push it away. Pretty awesome. And again, nice quality piece here, that threaded piece where the microphone stand will go on. And then here is the most important piece, the Eptison microphone. And again, this looks pretty nice. You can see the metal grate there. Again, condenser mic, so my guess is that you will speak into it from the front here where you've got the logo. And it's got a nice feel. Threaded bottom here with the cord. So the way you can put this together is pretty simple. You just take your mic stand, open it up, drop this little bad boy in. Again, face the logo to where you think you're going to be speaking, probably this way for me, and then get it down in there, release it, so now it's in there. And then you can take this and attach it to the little threaded post right here. I probably did this wrong. You can probably do it before you put the microphone in. That might make it easier. Then I can take this windscreen and attach it to the bar right up here, maybe about midway down, just so it's out of the way. And now I can just position this to be in front of the microphone like that. Again, a little extra pop filter. Drop the windsock on top of the microphone. And then take the cable, plug it into the bottom of the microphone here. The other end into your computer. And then I will just attach this to my desk and then drop the whole contraption right into it, and we will test it out. Okay, you might be able to see the microphone right up here. What's cool is it's on this boom arm. So I can just move it around. I can move this thing out of the way. And then when I need it, I can just move it right back here, just like this. I'm going to put it right in front of me. Just set it up like that. All right, cool. So this is recording through this new microphone, and you can be the judge of what you think the audio quality is on this. But what I will say, and what I am flabbergasted at, is the amount of hardware here, the amount of capability, and just the sheer value of this set. from the boom arm to the screens to the microphone. If you're looking for a single kit to get recording that isn't going to intrude on your workspace, again, you can just push this thing out of the way, push it away, push it down deep, hold it down deep inside, never let it come out. But you can pull this thing in front of you when you're jumping on a Zoom call. You can push it away when you're done, record some podcasts, shoot some video, whatever it might be, whatever you want. This thing is actually really inexpensive. So if the audio quality is any good, I say you should pick this thing up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.